Run on these plants for food. Check around what we eat. Yes, it will make us learn that it is a very important component of the environment. That's simply the two things that I want us to learn majorly. Maybe to add that animals, the monkeys, the birds build their nests on these plants, the monkeys live on these plants, and as well providing for food for the same animals, with so many other advantages that this component of the environment has. Will only stop there. And then we have animals. While the plants produces oxygen to be used by the animals, and then these animals produces carbon dioxide, which are used again back by these plants. So I repeat it again, when plants produce oxygen, which is used by the animals, these animals produce carbon dioxide, which are important for the plants. And so it has importance for each one of the other components of the environment. These animals also sometimes add some nutrients to the soil that help the plants to grow. So many other things to speak. In the non-living components of the environment, air is very important, both to the plants and to the animals. Look at the air that we breathe in, oxygen. Without the oxygen, you cannot survive. And so, air is a good component of the environment. We have the nitrogen gas, which is used by the leguminous plants to provide the nitrogen. It is air that provides for that. Now we speak about water shortly. Water is another major component of the environment, whereby uh, it is found in all the other components. Plants need water, animals need water. We find water in air, we find water in soil. And so the importance of it is water being a home for animals, e.g. the fish. Yes, we can take for example the fish. And you know, this water provides also the oxygen for the fish, which is air is found in the water, which provides also for these animals for the good air that they need. We also have the plants which live in the water, which forms an important part of the environment. The plants give food to the animals which are in the water. And lastly, we have soil. And soil is also one of the major components of the environment which we have already spoken about. It provides home for other animals like the insects which live under the soil. We have like the earthworms which live under the soil. And as also these earthworms live under the soil, they help in aerating the soil. That is helping circulation of air in the soil as they move around. And so soil is home for other animals. Soil is used to grow crops and plants which further go and help these animals. And you can see the mutual responsibilities that each one of these components of the environment have in each other. So we'll end there for today. Let's have our next lesson. Stay tuned, subscribe, and enjoy.